Number 6. This product review is based on the Oralfree Water Dental Flosser Cordless for teeth cleaning. As an experienced product marketing expert, I have carefully analyzed its features and benefits to provide you with an informative and professional review. The Oralfree Water Dental Flosser Cordless for teeth cleaning is a practical and effective dental care device that allows users to achieve a thorough and convenient teeth cleaning experience. The product's package dimensions are measured at 9.17 inches, 3.94 inches, 2.72 inches, with a weight of 15.2 ounces, making it compact and portable for individuals on the go. With the item model number F5025, the Oralfree Water Dental Flosser ensures optimal oral hygiene by utilizing water pressure to remove food particles and plaque from hard-to-reach areas, such as between teeth and along the gum line. The cordless design adds to its convenience, allowing for easy maneuverability during usage. This dental flosser has been carefully designed and